Hello, I'm Shaan Hall, your STS representative from Team 8, and today I will be showing you a way how to access all of the keyboard shortcuts which are possible to use. Before I show you what the shortcuts are though, I want to explain why keyboard shortcuts are useful. Well, let's say you have a lot of tabs open, right? Let's say you have to navigate between tabs. Sometimes it takes a while. Well, using keyboard shortcuts, you can very easily navigate between all these tabs. And navigating is only one reason why keyboard shortcuts are helpful. In addition to impressing your friends, keyboard shortcuts can also help to make life a lot faster and easier. Let's say that I have this document over here, and I want to centralize the text. Well, if I don't know where the centralizing button is, I might have to search through this for a while until I realize that it is over here. And that takes a while, and I don't want to do that. So I want to use my keyboard shortcuts. So now, let's say I don't know any of the keyboard shortcuts. How can I find out? Well, simply hold Control on your Chromebook, and then click the question mark or backslash button. Once you do that, a wonderful list of keyboard shortcuts will pop up, and you will be able to scroll through them until you find the one you want. And let's say I want to be able to add comments easier. I can see that is Control-Alt-M. So let's see if I can do this. Instead of having to go find where the comments button is, I hit Control, I hit Alt, and I hit M. And with absurd ease, I am now able to type in my comments. Now, let's say that you want to find more than just keyboard shortcuts that will apply to Google Docs. Well, to do that, you hit Control, you hit Alt, and then you hit the question mark. Once you do that, you will get another list of keyboard shortcuts. And as you can see, if you want to, let's say, go to the next tab, you hit Control and Tab. And if you want to open a new tab, you hit Control and T. So let's try this out. Let's say I want to open up a new tab and I'm too lazy to click the new tab button. I hit Control, I hit T, and a new tab opens up. Let's say I want to go to my previous tab. I hit Control, I hit Tab, and I move along. I hope you found this tool useful. From the STS team, have a great day.
Nicely done.